right, hey everybody, here we are, and we are talking about your comprehension focus.
All right, so quick review from last week because these kind of skills are necessary. Just a reminder, identifying the main character of the story is going to help you understand our focus this week, which is problem and solution, because if you don't know who has a problem, you're not going to be able to figure out what they're doing. Setting also, super helpful for the when and where does the story take place. Make sure you're thinking about that because, again, you can't identify a problem if you don't know who's there and where they are.
Right, and you're going to be applying that in your own writing.
And remember, a lot of times when you open up a story, the picture can really help you out. So those pictures are important too.
It's like our house colors, kind of.
Definitely, right?
All right. So like we said, this week, your comprehension focus is problem and solution. The problem, it's in red. Put it in your interactive notebook.
Write it down, right? Type it in there.
Is the conflict that affects the characters. That kind of conflict, it can cause big disasters. It could be something that your character is going through. It can either be something that the character has to work through themselves, like an internal struggle, or it could be something big that's happening outside, like a war or a disaster.
Absolutely. So any kind of problem that's affecting that character. Okay. So of course, Tom, go for it.
The solution is how the problem or conflicts in a story are solved. That's really important.
Notice solution is in red. Write it in your interactive notebook.
Because we don't want to just have a problem and then not figure out how to solve that problem.
So, in every story, you have a problem, like we talked about, and at the end of that story, there should be some kind of solution. Now, we don't always love the solution, but it still is solved somehow. Quick reminder about genre. The genre this week is realistic fiction. Remember, realistic fiction is everyday people doing everyday things in a modern, realistic place with realistic events. Realistic fiction. Realistic.
Real. Right?
Realistic.
In red. Just saying. Notice.
Interactive notebook.
And that's your